What I'm reviewing here is a MacBook Pro 15.4 inch Retina is what they call it. And let me zoom in here on this guy for just a second. I got it setting up on a TV tray. Give you a look that way, and then I'm going to walk over there and explain a few things. There's what my setup looks like, more or less. Anyway, okay. Let me go over here and explain a few things. Alright. Right off the get-go, I got a text file here, so I read off a little data here for you. Yeah, like I say, this is a MacBook Pro 15.4 Retina. It's got a screen resolution of 2880 by 1800. And the processor is a 2.2 gigahertz Intel i7 quad core, and it does have turbo boost to 3.4 gigahertz, okay? It's got 16 gigabytes of DDR3L RAM, and the memory speed is 1600 megahertz. And it's got a 256 gigabyte solid state hard disk drive, and it uses Intel Iris Pro graphics. And it's got two USB 3.0 ports in it. It's also got an SD card reader. And what else do we need to know? Okay, this particular machine came to me from Amazon. All the stuff I'm talking about came from Amazon, but it came preloaded with Yosemite OX 10.10. But right now, I've upgraded it, and it's 10.10.2. Okay, what else do you need to know? The computer memory type is SD RAM. It weighs 4.5 pounds. And it's got a lithium polymer battery, which the battery lasts very, very long in this thing. It's got good battery life, but this little cord that you see right here is the only cord that goes to this unit, because I use Bluetooth. I'll get into that here in a minute, but I find this very, very interesting because to plug this guy in, it's actually got a magnet, this power cord right here, and it just really sucks up again there when you plug it into the laptop, okay? And over here on this TV tray, I got a cup holder that I've been able to kind of cobble a AC adapter, if you will, so that's all there is to that. Now, on this guy here, I am using a Bluetooth Apple keyboard. If you can see that, a real tiny little guy. It's the same configuration as the keyboard that's on the MacBook Pro. And this right here is an Apple mouse. A magic mouse, if you will. The nice thing about this mouse here, of course, it's got your primary and your alt button, and then you can scroll up and down and left and right just by moving your fingers across that mouse there. Okay, we got all that stuff going. Now let me minimize this doggone file here, that text file. There's what that interface looks like. But okay, one thing I might want to mention, I do have a screen protector on here. It's an eye visor made by Moshi, and I do have a keyboard cover right here that's made by Uppercase. Okay, what else can I show you? Let me turn this unit around here for a second. It is on a stand. This is what they call an M stand. This guy right here. What it does is it puts that laptop at an angle, or at a real nice angle for viewing and whatnot have you. And since this is made out of aluminum, it acts like a heat sink. And all this stuff, like I say, I bought at Amazon.com. And I reviewed everything, so there you are with that. Okay, what else do I need to talk about? Okay, the case, you're probably wondering why this is black. This is a Kuzy. On the top and the bottom, it's called a Kuzy, K-U-Z-Y, hard case, if you will. But that's what the whole doggone thing looks like. And this computer, you can trust me on this. This thing is very, very fast. I've been running it real hard for the last 48 hours or so. And it absolutely meets my approval anyway. Okay, let me see where we're sitting right here. Yeah, and I know I'm an eye sheep and all that other kind of stuff, but there is a great big difference, ladies and gentlemen, between windows, wind blows, wind holes, or whatever you have you, and the Unix operating system. So that's my new setup right there, and this thing cost me a fortune, believe you me. Okay, I think that's about as good as this file is going to get. Thank you very much for watching the movie. Have a nice day.